Hey y'all, if it's Redbox's live, hashtag replay if you're rewatching. Trying to make sure this is straight. So UPS just dropped by, which is great because I have another box to move. Hey Brandy. Hey Michaela. Okay. Girl, I haven't even got to the bar yet. So we got my bars. Okay, here's the box. What you telling me to hurry up for? Okay, let me sniff the bars real quick because Michaela is being crazy. Ooh. Okay, so I got 3 Marvel because I love that fragrance. And I got 3 Perry the... Ooh. That's good, y'all. It's... Well, this is going to be too soft to come out. It's got the berry note to it, but it's kind of masculine. It's got the hint of a masculine fragrance, but it's also got those berry notes right behind it. It's really, really nice. I'm gonna have to warm that. Okay. Now I've got Marble, yada, yada, yada. Now to the warmer. I got my extension cord. So on the lid, it's got Armor Up Iron Man. Instructions, don't need those. We've got the dish. This is not food use. Make sure to take that sticker out. Okay, so we got the dish. Hey, Amber. Okay. This is a 15-watt warmer, y'all. Okay. Let me put this in the dish. And then right on top, you've got the lid. You've got the red lid. I really thought this was gonna be a 25-watt warmer. Y'all, this thing is so freaking... Let me get it plugged in behind my butt. Okay, so let me close the curtains real quick. Okay. Here we go, here we go, here we go. Nope, other way. Y'all, look at that. And then you've got the dish. And he's a 15-watt bulb. And the lights, the eyes are lit up. Then you've got that in the back. Cause see, there you go. So yeah, this is the Iron Man warmer. It's still available for $65. So go grab it while you can, because once it's gone, and who knows when it's gonna come back. So go grab it. Pair the Platypus bar. It's still available. Oh, this is so... What? This is familiar. Now that I smell it a second time. Gosh, I can't put my finger on it. I'll comment down the bar that it smells familiar to. Hey, Juanita. He's a 15-watt warmer, y'all. Like, what? So, there he is. Now I gotta sort of film for my YouTube channel. So, I will talk to y'all later. Hope you enjoyed it. Grab him while you can, and I'll talk to you.